We will perish all the guns of the forest. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your clothes today. Let's go put on your boots.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're here at Blade Show 2025 in Atlanta, Georgia. We're at the booth of Bradford, USA. Nicole, tell us about what you brought to the show.
Oh my goodness, where do I begin? Well, first up, I want to say hi to Mike. It was so fun. We met in the line that was out the door. Out the door this morning. It's been a great show, tons of energy. And so today, we have a lot of new things. I want to take you right down here to something brand new. So, if you're familiar with our brand, we are the home of the Guardian series. The Guardian 3 is the first fixed blade that we ever made.
And that is Raindrop Damascus with carbon fiber.
Yes. So we took a blade that's been around for 13 years and we wanted to revamp it. We wanted to add a little collector status to it. So Chad Nichols Damascus, beautiful raindrop, you nailed it, carbon fiber scale. This is so beautiful. This will be available after Blade Show online, and this is $469. But if you started with a Guardian 3, this is such a special Guardian 3 to add to your collection.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Thank you. So the Guardian 3 is the first blade. The Guardian 3.5 came right after that. And what we wanted to do was we wanted to take the same blade shape and blade length, add a finger choil, extend the handle for a larger grip, or for a larger hand and extended grip. You can do standard, reverse grip, you've got options. So this knife, how do we innovate it? Well, we wanted to look at weight. So this whole year, it's about weight matters. So this blade is the newest Guardian 3.5 Ultralight, weighing in at 2.9 ounces. We love this. We had to play with a different scale for weight. We use a lightweight Kydex, 1.1 ounces. So this in your pack is 4 ounces even. This is the Skinner. This is the hunting. This is the utility. This is the blade that you want in your backpack.
I also wanted to point out, now sometimes you'll see on some of the Kydex sheaths, they don't have this flare. This flare meets your thumb and helps you get it off so you could do the one-hand withdrawal.
Thank you, Mike. Okay, next year you're going to be on this side of the booth, okay?
It's bound to happen.
So when we talk about weight, it was inspired by our Culinary line. When you think about Bradford knives, you oftentimes don't think about Culinary, but our goal as a company is, of course, made in America, but secondly, we want utility. Our knives are never going to collect dust. That would be horrible. Our knives are meant to be used. And so the knife that we use the most is oftentimes in the kitchen. So we started with a 8-inch chef, partner it with a paring. Now you have opposite ends of the kitchen, opposite application, you're covered. And this year we decided we needed to add out, we needed a bridge knife. We needed something in the middle, and we're releasing the 6-inch utilities. We love AEBL, we love the durability. It's oftentimes found, or most commonly found, within razor blades. And this is a knife steel that's stainless, and a quick hone, and it's right back to just hair shaving sharp. So, last but not least, this little guy, this is the knife that is the one blade that is sub 100. This is our neck knife in Nitro V. We just got this in. It's been sold out for a while, and the reason why it takes us some time to find the steel is we want that thickness. We want a chunky piece of steel so that we can have a handle that's present in our hand. So we actually use the thickness of the steel as the handle, and then we take that blade.
Please excuse us.
Attention all exhibitors, you may now pick up your knives that dropped off for the awards.
Just to let you know, we're doing this live. So,
Thank you, Alicia.
yes, indeed.
Thank you.
Yes, indeed.
And so this is our neck knife. comes with a Kydex, and it's $99. This is great value. We love it. It's lightweight, but it's also pretty significant. It's in your palm, and it's just back in stock. So we're excited to have it here.
Most excellent. And you have so much more. Needless to say, this is towards the close of day one of Blade Show. And Nicole was gracious enough to be able to spend time with us here today, showing us what they have that is new. If you have any questions, I'm going to be getting a business card from Nicole, and I'll be putting all the relevant links in the descriptions. Remember, what's better than one American-made Bradford? Owning two American-made Bradfords. All right, thank you so much, Nicole. Have a great show, and have a nice day.
We will share all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your clothes today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Go, go.